Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. In this video tutorial I'm going to show how you can auto start the VMware workstation virtual machines when your system reboot. So this is a particular sometime you need that your virtual machine should run if your machine reboot, and this is only applied for the VMware workstations virtual machines. So the first thing you have to specify your VMware installation directory. So what we need to do, basically we need to create a batch file which automatically run when your system reboot. So the location of my VMware workstation program is C program file x86 VMware workstations vmrun.exe. Then we have to specify two switches. One is dash capital T WS start, and then you need to specify the location of your VMware workstation that you want to auto restart when your system reboots, configuration file location. So my VMware workstation location is located at D qb underscore server 24 and then slash qb underscore server dot vmx. This definitely will be changed in your case, but what you need to do is you have to have the same parameters which I have mentioned here, right? And then you need to save this file as a batch file. So I'm going to save this file on my desktop, and save as a type I need to choose all file, and I give it a name like qb server dot bat. Save. So the most important thing in this file is this capital T dash capital T WS start, and the last one is no GUI. Okay, so don't forget to mention these three commands. Now what you need to do, you need to open a percent app data percent and click OK. Then go to your Microsoft folder. Under this folder you have to go Windows, and then go to the start menu, programs, startup, and now you need to cut this file or you need to move this file to here. Right, so what it will do when you go to next reboot, it's automatically start these batch files on a startup, and it's will automatically run your virtual machines without you need to go or without you need to open the VMware workstation and manually start the file. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching these tutorials, and please share and subscribe my channels. Bye.